Hi everyone, my name is Molly Barth. I am a senior GIS analyst with Blue Raster.
I'm Andrew Orton. I'm a DevOps engineer with Blue Raster, specializing in ArcGIS Enterprise.
I'm Justin Metadata, Senior Application Developer here with Blue Raster.
We're here today to talk about all of the new features available in ArcGIS Enterprise 12.0 and the implications that your organization might face when upgrading. Andrew, what are you most excited about?
Esri has been, for a while now, talking about ArcGIS being a system of systems and integrating data from other platforms into your web maps and web apps so you can work with that data. For ArcGIS Enterprise 12, they have added ArcGIS Data Pipeline Server. So here we can consume endpoints on the web, whether it's CSV data or JSON data, and we can work with it. We can do spatial joins, we can add filters, project to a different spatial reference, and then output that to an ArcGIS Enterprise hosted feature layer. So just another way of getting real-time data into ArcGIS Enterprise and working with it there.
Awesome. Justin, what should developers be aware of?
Yes, Enterprise 12.0 adds in several great new features for developers, like service interceptors, custom data feeds, and arcade expressions and experience builder. But what might be more important for developers is what's leaving in this edition. So ArcGIS configurable apps are retired, and while the ArcGIS API for JavaScript 3.x was officially retired on July 1st, 2024, it will no longer be supported in the ArcGIS Enterprise 12.0 edition. This means your custom applications using 3.x will stop working after upgrading. So in order to avoid potential business disruptions and downtime, this can be the perfect time to upgrade to the latest version of ArcGIS Maps SDK for JavaScript, which will unlock the latest cutting-edge features, performance improvements, as well as continued support and updates from Esri.
Definitely important to plan ahead for those deprecations. One thing I really wanted to bring to people's attention is the new Item Details Assistant available as a beta feature in Enterprise 12.0. Metadata has always been important, but as we start to integrate AI more into our workflows and processes, good metadata is key to providing context and relevant results. However, metadata generation can be time-consuming and often left behind. The new Item Details Assistant takes away a lot of the legwork and generates metadata for your services. So here I have a feature service representing Utah parks as polygons. And as you can see, I don't have any metadata for this service. With the new Item Details Assistant, I can generate that metadata right in ArcGIS Portal. By clicking Suggest, the AI assistant evaluates the service and brings up relevant information that I might want to include in my metadata. After reviewing the information for accuracy, I can save the generated metadata to the item, and it populates in the item page. Also, Item Details Assistant can generate metadata at the individual field level. If we go into the fields view for my Utah Parks layer, select the fields that I want to generate metadata for. Again, I hit Suggest, and the AI assistant works to populate the metadata for these fields. As you can see here, it's generated display names, descriptions, and value types for each field I selected. Again, I'd want to review these for accuracy, and once I'm happy with the results, I can select the fields I want to save and save the metadata to the item. Blue Raster has the expertise to upgrade your deployment to the latest version of ArcGIS Enterprise, help you migrate deprecating apps, and enable you to take advantage of all of the new features. Reach out today to get started.